with the Nuwara people. Why do you feel like this?
It's the very least we could do, as we've been so fortunate to enjoy and have a wonderful time in Sri Lanka with the beautiful people, the hospitality they've shown us. If we can do one little thing to help with this devastation, then I said to my husband, this is the best day of my holiday.
Yeah, and which country are you from?
Australia.
Australia. And what do you feel about this disaster?
It has broken our hearts. We care so much for the people, and we just wish we could do more. And this is just something very little that might make a difference to some people. These workers have probably been working day and night, and if we can give them a little rest, that's the best thing we can do, and are so happy to.
As a Sri Lankan, thank you very much.
Ini salah.